Here I've got Nokia 8.1 and let me show you how to insert SIM card and also memory card to the following device. At first we truly recommend to switch off the phone, so click on power key, hold it for a while. Hello. And click on power off. Once it's off, you can turn your device around, and on the left edge you will notice the special tray, which can be opened via this small wire or something familiar. Just insert it to the hole. You can put it like that. Simply click. And here is the tray where you can input the SIM card and memory card. So as you can see, let's take both cards. Here is the place for the memory card and the second one is for SIM card. So let me insert them. Here we can locate the memory card, and just next to this one let's place SIM card, and now we have to insert it. The hole should be on the left side, so just like that, and just push it inside. Now you can turn your device around and click on power key in order to switch it on. And within a short while you will be able to use your device fully with expanded memory and also with the SIM card, so you will be able to receive calls and make calls, send messages and all the other stuff. And that's it. Simply enter your SIM number and then start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.